right. Good morning. Good morning, America. Testing. This is a little bit low. Why is this low? Testing. Why is that so low? What the heck? Testing. Oh, I think my microphone. Testing. Sorry, guys. That's weird. Yeah, my microphone is like low. But anyways, coming off of a red week, last week. So let's hope I can change that around this week. I'm trying to. Oh, I forget that you guys can see my freaking screen on that side now. Let me do it on the other screen. Just trying to fix this sound. Ah, yes. This is the issue. Now it's going to be quite loud. Testing. Okay, no, that's good. Are you ready for a choppy day? Yeah. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Let me get the book map up. And then also, let me get Claude up. Although hold on. What the hell? Claude was supposed to have given me a report for this morning. And I do not see that. What the flip? Whatever. Guess I'll manually have to do it like a peasant. So let's go to Forex Factory. No big news other than, existing homes. Netanyahu, the American side, could not tolerate Iran's blatant violation. That guy is literally the devil, dude. I swear to God. And then financial juice. Nothing there. Okay, well, looks like it's a no news kind of Monday, although it's never really a no news kind of Monday. Ooh, oil. Oil's up 6%. Jesus. Gold down a little bit. This is the oil stock that I bought. I think down here. Double leveraged oil stock, because they announced the ceasefire. I don't know if you guys remember that. Literally, as soon as they announced that ceasefire, then that same morning, I was like, "There's no way this ceasefire is gonna hold." Freaking bought oil, shorted S&P or shorted Nasdaq. Now that's not going too well for me. Although I shorted it like somewhere here, so I'm fine. Nothing crazy. So we'll see. Dang, what? Look at this weird daily chart on the Nasdaq. It's all green, even recovering. I mean, we're literally escalating the war, and we're somehow green today. Green on the day. That's interesting. Trump has a 10 a.m. ET deadline for naval blockade. Oh, I thought it was 10 p.m. Didn't know it was 10 a.m. I mean, something's gonna happen. Like, the market's probably gonna. I feel like the market's due to come back down. I don't know. Like this whole move, this whole explosive move here, that was not even real buying. That was a short squeeze. Look it up. You can look up the data. Hedge funds were majorly short, and they got squeezed out. So, like, I don't know. I feel like the sentiment has not really changed all that much. There's no way people are confident in the in the world right now, in the stock market and stuff. Just no way. I wouldn't be. You can't be. You literally can't be. Not with Trump tweeting every 5 seconds. So we'll just wait and see until 10, I guess. I mean, if I see a trade, I'll take it. Sorry, I'm trying to fix my camera here. Alrighty. Bookmap looks a little quiet today. Don't see any major orders other than this one down here. Some orders at 210. So it looks like we're just trying to fill that big gap there. Pretty much have. Yeah, Ravik, I mean, we've pretty much filled that gap. Not all the way back to where it, not all the way back here, but wouldn't be surprised if we're just going to bounce off these lows. And by bounce, I mean fall. But looks like the market's already dead. Just paused. Maybe waiting for 10 a.m. I don't know. There's orders at 25.10. There's also a little bit of a supply level there. I could be an interesting area to watch for potential shorts. There it goes, going for those orders. Into the orders. Rejecting. Drop down to a smaller time frame. Look for some kind of entry, maybe. Kind of rejected it a little too hard, though. It's already almost, it's pretty much like halfway to target, so. All right, going back for the retest. Damn. I swear in the mornings when you get these like 1 minute, these lower time frame zones, and then you get the confirmation on the book map, it's like you just got to put a freaking limit order there. You just got to slam a limit order there. Otherwise, it moves too fast. But I hate just blindly putting a limit order. Now it looks like it wants to go down to 25,145. Big orders there. Which is quite a way, quite a ways away. Anybody go short there? Let's chase this bread. Yes, sir, big boy. Yes, sir. Dang, man. Always missing those early morning trades. YouTube never notified me you went live. They're suppressing me. They're suppressing me, man. They don't want the strategy getting out. Big orders at 25,145. I'm assuming that's probably just where we're going to go. There we go. I was wondering why I looked pink. I had to change something. All right. Just waiting for the next setup. Filled some orders there, rejecting that pretty hard. Dang. What is that? Oh, wait, these charts aren't even this. I'm looking at NQ. Right. Oh my God. All right, what news released? What news released? Is the blockade not coming into effect? Yeah, that's got to be the news. Look at this thing. Classic. I can't see the news, but that's just, gotta guess. Gotta take a guess there. Gold plummeting. Yep. 100% Trump or somebody just said something. 100%. See, like you can know news is coming out, is about to come out before it comes out by just looking at the markets. Look at if the market's just exploding randomly. Look at all that volume. 100 billion% we're about to see a headline pop up on Financial Juice. Dun, dun, dun. Financial Juice, come on. Okay, my internet's just not working now. Bitcoin spiked, oil tanked, gold spiked, and NASDAQ spiked. So that is what happens with the any Iran news. Look at this. Oh my God, bro. It's just the most manipulated markets in history. The most manipulated markets in history, bro. Like, what is this? All right, here's Financial Juice. Don't see anything red yet, but just wait and see. Here, I'm going to look it up. I'm just going to look up straight news. Iran war news. U.S. military to blockade ships from Iranian ports straight removed. Oil prices have topped $100 a barrel. Still nothing. I can't find anything. But you know what? It's gonna pop up eventually. Just give it time. Juice is busted for me too. Yeah. I don't know why. All right. Well, gotta go with the flow. I'm interested to see 2510. I'm gonna watch 2510, not for any kind of trade, but just for my own studying. You see how traders got short at 2510 right there? That was that hour level earlier. Wait, can you guys see that? Oh, it's hard to see. So right there, traders got short 2510. They were up nicely and then all of a sudden exploded through. So I'm assuming 2510, if we get back down to 2510, those traders that are stuck might want to get out. So I'm just going to watch that. All right, come on, Financial Juice. There can't be no reason for this move. Oil, NASDAQ, and gold all moving at the same time for no reason. Come on now. Oh. Okay. The website is actually busted. The website's just crashed. All right. Cool. Cool. I love these markets, man. They're really easy. They're really, really super easy. Market breaks. The news websites break. Everything's broken. What else can I use? I guess I can use Forex Factory. Iranian officials are studying abandoning uranium enrichment as a U.S. condition for ending the war. 3 minutes ago. Yep. Oh, you guys can't see that, but it's up there. 3 minutes ago. That's the reason. There you go. They're exploring abandoning uranium enrichment. Great. So it's never actually an answer. It's never, they are going to abandon uranium enrichment. It's always, well, we might do this, we might do that. And then at the last second, never mind. And then the markets just explode up, explode down. We just had a ceasefire, and then what happens? We break the ceasefire immediately. Then we go in for peace talks. Peace talks fail. And yet all throughout it, the markets are still going up. Strange times. Strange times. Well, pretty much going to be just mega bullish for the rest of the day, obviously, with news like that. People are just going to blindly buy. Oh my god, the war is over. The war is over. There's just no way the smart money believes that. That's why it's confusing. Like, there's no way those institutions believe that the war is over. They got to be smarter than that. Right? They're the smartest people in the world, aren't they? Um, 25,300 has some sellers. Don't really see anything meaningful there, though. Pop my narrow gum. Oh god, that's loud, sorry. Try to keep the mic away from me while I chew this. Need some chill vibe music. Yeah, man, I don't know. You know, Catnip, if you're in here, you might be the only person that complained about the music. Now that I think about it. All right, let's run a poll. Let's see if I can run a poll. This does have to be a democracy. If everybody wants music, I can put music. Do you believe? How do I run a frickin' poll? Start poll. Music. Start poll. There you go. Let me know. It doesn't matter to me. Don't think that I want music. I don't care. Just got here. Any trades yet? Love your latest YouTube video. Thank you, thank you. No, nothing yet. Ironically, if you're coming from my latest YouTube video, Claude did not make me the report today. So I'm going to have to go and give him a little spanking after this. See why. Oh, I just realized in that video I didn't explain this, but you can schedule reports for if you have the paid version of Claude. You can schedule tasks, so I can schedule Claude to make me a report at 9 a.m. before the market opens. But Claude did not do that this morning. All right, so everybody, or not everybody, but 70% of people want music. You know, it does make my life a little harder because now I have to go put on freaking music, but if that's what the people want, we got 7 votes. All right, guys, come on. There's like 50 of you in here. See, this is how Trump got elected too. Not enough people. Not enough people voting. Win by just pure low volume. Although he did win. I'm just joking. He won pretty fair and square. We got 12 votes. Music, otherwise we hear you chew. Damn, that is true. Okay, well now it's tied. Guys, music or no music? Either way, I don't really care. I'm just trying to get a solid answer. Because this has been a debate for centuries on my stream. Music or no music? People can put on headphones and listen to their own music. Another solid point as well. That is a great point as well. Okay, well now the poll's at no. I'll just leave that poll there for a bit and check back later. let you guys really think about it. Not like there's much freaking, not a lot of setups going on right now. Got the long with your strat, 136.75 pips long. This is insane. Where did you get long? Did you buy at pre-market levels here? I can see that if you did that. Solid. And now that I look at it, it also had some pretty good orders there. Down at 160. Would have been a bottom tick. Damn. If I vote yes, you'll go with something I regret like Taylor Swift. No, it would just be like, I always just played, just chill. What's the word? Lo-fi music. Lo-fi. Think calm piano with a drum beat in the background. Market's just screaming higher on hopes and dreams. There we go. Financial juice is working. Iranian officials are studying abandoning uranium enrichment. Iranian officials are studying. Yeah. Play metal. That would be crazy. Make it like Wolf of Wall Street. Everybody's just hyped up, going crazy. All right, some big orders up at 25, 330-ish. You bought at 25,172. Oh yeah. Nice buy. Yeah, I usually don't trade pre-market levels, but that was a good example of one. Man, I'd love to get a freaking setup. Would really enjoy that. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, take advantage of the Apex sale while it lasts. I don't want any emails saying, I didn't get the 90% off. When's the next sale? Apex Trader Funding is 90% off. $20 for an account. That means $20 for a $50,000 account. Best way to practice, best way to trade, best way all around. And if you don't like Apex, you can check out any other of the other discounts on my website, which is really just a link tree, SimpleTrader or simpletraderfunding.com. All right, filling some big orders there, 25,330. Well, I don't know why they're, it's kind of a random number. Kind of a random number to have some big orders there. Is that gap fill or something? Might be, yeah. 25,330. Yeah, maybe we're getting a little gap fill rejection. Just another account to blow up. Hey, you know, even if you blow the account, as long as you're journaling and tracking everything, you'll come out on top because you'll have learned something. That's the mindset you gotta have. You paper trade, if you paper trade, you're not gonna learn anything. Why? Because you're not gonna care. You don't care. You're just like, man, I'm just paper trading. Let me buy here, sell there, guess where it's gonna go. But when you're trading with a eval, there's a reason to care about it, you know? Not as much as a funded, but at least with the eval, you can shoot for the funded account. And then once you have the funded account, then you shoot for that payout. So there's a structure that you can care about. And it really makes a big difference, I'm telling you. It makes a big difference. Journal the trades, learn from mistakes, and eventually, one day, you'll get that glorious payout. My journal consists of statements of why did I do that? Yeah, if the way that I journal is I just take a screen, I mark out my trade, the zone, take a screenshot of the zone after it's already played out, and that's it. Just a simple screenshot. It's not $20 with discount anymore. I mean, okay, is it $25? I'm sorry, $5 more expensive maybe. I feel like I just bought an account for like 20 bucks. I'm talking about trailing drawdown. Intraday trail. Keep that in mind as well. I'm going to try it out right now. Let's see. $24.90. $24.90. Okay, $25. Sorry. Check what US 30 did today so far. Wow. Dow Jones is moving less straight than NASDAQ. That's interesting. Usually the Dow Jones is the one to move in these big straight line moves. Nothing really too interesting here. I mean, maybe you can get a zone down here on a 2-minute chart. General area there to look out for, but yeah, end of day is I think $30, 30 or 35. If it's more than 35, it's not worth it in my opinion. 40 bucks for an eval. Although end of day drawdown is very nice, especially if you're trading high risk to reward. I was the best trader in the world paper trading, not so much now. It actually means something. Found out it's actually pretty hard. Yeah. Oh, trust me, I know, man. Same thing with eval to funded. I trade the same strategy on evals and fundeds, but somehow it's almost like the universe knows. It's like my evals, I pass them no problem. Funded is always a grind. It's always such a goddamn grind. Same exact strategy. But universe just knows, man. Corey switched to funded today. Let's make price action worst price action since 2013. Some bullshit like that. Obviously, that's not true. Obviously, I'm doing something wrong, but you get the point. All right, I like this little area here. Finally, we're getting some kind of zone and some orders. Only thing I don't like, obviously, is that we just filled that freaking gap up here and rejected with some big orders. So sellers could be a little bit in control here. Let's check VWAP. Yeah, VWAP's looking quite dramatic. All right, let's see what happens at this zone. Right now, we're just cutting through those orders. Let's see if it holds. If you're new to the stream, I stream every day, 9:30 to about noon. Oh, it's holding now. Dang. So put your bell notification icon on, tap that bell notification icon, and you'll get notified when I'm live. Although I saw, I forget who it was, but they did not get notified today. Death Cloud did not get notified I was live today, but at least it's worth a shot. Oh, and leave a like, of course. Smash up that like button. See, the more the more likes we get, the better I trade. It's a proven fact. Zone's looking a little bit weak so far. Waiting for confirmation of some sort. Not gonna blindly buy. Yeah, this is looking like the type of zone that's just gonna start, it's just gonna get cut through like that. All right, on to the next one. Now, technically, you could even say this is an area. You can even say this is an area. This is all general areas where we could see a bounce, so I'll just mark them out and watch them. You got some more orders down at 25 to 54. 25 to 50. Looks like it wants to go down to this area here. Come on. I definitely don't want to trade this zone. This is not looking like a good zone. I'd rather it go down to this one. In fact, I'm just going to get rid of this. Could make the argument it's already in a zone. This 2-minute chart, you would draw it out like that. Has some orders that are being filled here, so if it bounces here, I'm okay with maybe looking for a long, but still waiting for some price action confirmation. Right now, the sellers are selling. Boom, 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 boom. All right, there's some, Jesus. There's some buyers coming in. Hitting this little supply box. Oh, well, it's moving too fast for me to get in now, so I gotta wait. Still gotta wait. Patience. Patience, my friend. Some orders down at 64. This might be a runaway train. Might look for a buy at 64. Yeah. Oh. Well, my zones are holding, but I am not finding my entries. God dang it, man. Market's moving too quick out of these zones today. Although I did have some time there, not gonna lie. But it looked like I wanted to go a little bit lower. But it didn't. Alright. Can I get a frickin' trade today? Any news? No. Will it come back down? Maybe give me a long. A buy. Oh my god. Okay. Well, obviously I'm not gonna... See, I don't know what to do in this situation because I don't know if it's some big breaking news headline or if it's just price action. You know? We just filled these orders. That's nice. But I'm terrified to enter this and it's some news that's just gonna tank, you know? God dang, man, this market. Now my whole chart's messed up, man. God dang. So we filled those orders. I don't know if some news headline came out. We'll have to wait probably a few minutes. Honestly, it doesn't look like it because it's already back to normal. So I guess we just manipulated down real quick. He did tweet. Oh. What do you say? What do you say? Happen on gold as well. Coincidentally, he tweeted and we filled these orders. Interesting coincidence. What did Trump tweet? Anybody know? He was going to hurt anybody trying to get through the blockade. He said he would destroy any Iranian ship that comes through the blockade. It's on Financial Juice. Oh, yeah. Yep, there it is. All right. Let's go. Why didn't he just let the market run? I thought he likes when the market... He saw the market going up and he went, yeah, I think I'm going to tweet that I'm going to explode any Iranian ship. I just missed a freaking entry there because I was looking at my freaking hair like a woman. All right, I just went long, trying a little trade there. Okay, this is already not looking good. Story of my life lately, guys. Story of my life. This is a 15-second chart. It's a small time frame, looking for that continuation off of this zone. See if we can get some follow through. Some follow through, I said. Some follow through. Follow through. Come on. Can I just get a winning trade? It's been so long. It's been so long. All right, I'm going to at least go to a break even there. Please, some follow through. That's the key word for today. Follow through. This is the 1 minute chart. Trying to get a push back up to these highs. Got some orders at 25,300. See 25,300 right there. That's a good target. I mean, not a good target, but a good area to look at for a short-term target. Not that I'm going to be selling this right at 25,300 because that's not really worth it. But let's see how it reacts there. If it reacts crazy aggressive, then maybe I'll take some little tiny profit, but will I get my first winning trade in frickin' 4 days or something? Stay tuned. Can we get some follow through? Can we get some follow through? No, we can't. We're just chopping away like every day. Come on. Please. Please just move. Okay. Okay, I'm selling one there because it's looking like it might reject. Just a cheeky one sell. One sell. I didn't like how it wicked there, so I'm leaving with something. That was probably like $30. $30 profit, but I'm leaving with something. Yeah, see this rejection, not good. Needs to keep pushing higher, close above that 25,300 area. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I like it. I'm going to sell one more up here. Again, I just don't trust this market, so it's so hard to hold on to these trades. We're in a bit of a bearish area now. This is where things can go sour. But I already sold two, so no point in trying to sell the rest here. I might as well just try to hold it until the highs, which it's looking like we're just collapsing now. Okay, just total collapse. Hey, I got my massive, whatever, probably like a $60, $60 or $70 profit on those two cells. I'm rich. You should make a punk band. You got the look and voice for it and grow out your hair. Maybe in another life. How many contracts did you buy? That was 5 contracts. And now that I'm looking at this profit, I think I might be trading with too little size. I might need to switch back to minis. Just because of the market. The market's not moving much. I mean, it is, but the ATR is not very high. I'll add the orders here so you guys can see that. Or the fills. So now, main overall target for me is 25.30. 25.331. If we can get to 25.331, I'll be happy. Right now we're just struggling to get past this 25.300 area. It really has to get through here. Yeah, it's struggling, man. It's struggling. That's not good. This is starting to look quite weak. We just filled some orders on that wick there. This is pretty much the last stand. Otherwise, we're just going to start capitulating down. Which is really super fun for me who is long. Isn't that so awesome and amazing? We just can't frickin' move. We just chop around. This is a little bit of a bullish order zone if you can spot it. This little area. Pretty much, again, my last hope is that this holds, but it's not looking good right now. Yeah, this is not looking good at all. We're about to start. Yep, there it is. Okay, let's go. Let's frickin' go, man. Another day of the market not being able to frickin' move when I'm in a trade. Made a whopping $83 on my partial profits. Yes. Okay, so let's reevaluate. Came up into this order zone, bearish order zone, filled some orders, chopped around, capitulating down. So now, honestly, if I get the opportunity to short this, I probably will do that. We'll see. But now we're in a chop fest. Filling orders up, filling orders down. Yeah, I'm rich. I'm rich. That's a tank of gas and cheese. Hey man, it's like barely a tank of gas nowadays. Did I just say cheese? I mean cheeseburger. I'm up a few hundred currently, but yeah, it's fighting to continue. Yeah, it's really sluggish, really sluggish. Now, what would really make me tilted, and because I'm saying this, it's probably going to happen, is I get short and then it blows through and goes to that full target that I was looking for. Now that would be an epic NASDAQ moment. It goes short for me, so it works out for me. I gotta be selfish. You're long. Come on. There's nothing to be done right now. It's just complete chop. I am looking to short though. Maybe here at 95. Okay, I'm short. Now let's watch it explode higher. You gotta love it. I may as well just close this trade out now. I'm just kidding. Gotta see where it goes. Come on. Come on, Betsy. Yeah, I'm not liking how it keeps trying this area. Might just tighten my risk a bit. I would really like to see a big fat reversal right now so I can just go to a break even and be on my way. Okay, I'm going to break even. I don't care. I'm not trusting this thing. It needs to go. Come on. Please. Please. Why? Why can't we just get... Oh my god. You guys just saw that? You know what? No, I'm not going to chase it. It's a break-even trade. Fair and square. It's a break-even trade. Oh, yes. Don't chase it, Corey. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my god. This market is just it baits you, man. Look at how it's just chopping. It just, every time we get in these zones, it just starts chopping and it looks like it wants to go. And then it just doesn't. It just keeps coming back in. So for that reason, like in Shark Tank, I'm out. For now. Until I find a new way to justify my trade. Oh, wait, this is actually kind of good. Is it just going to blow through that? It looks like it is. Okay. Well, good thing I did not. I need to think about this. Okay. Oh my god, dude, this market. I can't. Alright, I'm removing all things from my chart, resetting. Resetting. What time frame do you use to draw support and resistance? Lots of different time frames. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 30 seconds, 15 seconds. Okay, again, bearish order zone, again. Big orders up here. Wait, I just realized something. This... yeah, pretty much came down, took me off a break even, and is going to full targets now. Frickin' story of my life, man. Is this counter trend? A little bit. But are we a little overextended? And also, Trump could tweet something that tanks the market at any moment? Yes. Yes. I don't like that there's so many orders above this high. Because that's like a draw on liquidity, right? But nonetheless, we got a zone. The zone is the most important thing. I want to get short, but I need a decent entry, and I can't find one just yet. look at all these orders up here. That's, no, I don't have a position right now. Those orders up there are not great if you're going to go short. This chop is just creating zones left and right on both sides, which is usually what happens, yes, during chop. Some buyers at 25,290. Well, something just happened. Oh my God. I just realized, oh my God. That was a beautiful entry spot for shorts right there. Did not have an order in. Back in? All right, this thing is looking like it's just going to rip up. Big orders at 25,320. Yeah, this just got to wait for these orders to clear or get filled here. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. We're just slowly grinding up so far. Looks like we're just going to go to new highs, honestly. If we reject in this zone, I'm still willing to look for a short. It's just taking forever. There's the midline rejection. If it doesn't stop there, it's not going to stop. It's just going to go to these highs. So I'd like to see a rejection here for a short. That's where the most upside but most downside is. But technically most upside for profits is short because you got all these lows below. But it looks like the market does not want to play ball with us. Just keeps going up. Didn't Trump just say he's gonna blow up any Iranian ship ship that goes through the blockade? I mean, where's the shorts? Where are the shorts? Where's the fear? The fear and the panic. There it is. Fill in those orders. 25333. That invalidates this zone. Now I have to sit here and wait. This is when I would normally start scrolling. Not much I can do here. Trump is holding in a fart. As soon as he lets it fly, this market will tank. Yeah, right? That's the feeling. That's the feeling. It's like, it's just this whole thing is just being held up by nothing. Like, how? How is the market rallying right now? There's no good news other than, yeah, okay, officials are studying abandoning uranium. Okay, well, doesn't really mean much. Trump's saying he's going to blow everyone up. You know Israel's not going to stop the war. Hell no. So what's everyone so positive about right now? Like, look at this thing. It's freaking just blowing through all sell orders. Isn't it trying to fill the opening week gap? I don't really see any gaps anymore. We filled this gap. Just straight up we go. Straight up we go. Daily ATR was at session started approximately 25,419. All right, ATR is 491. 491. Just about 25,400. Just about this high. Don't have that much room left before it's pretty overextended. Last thing I was expecting today was an overextended up day. But that's why trading is hard, isn't it? You'll never expect it. All right, looks like we filled those sell orders. Now actually getting some rejection. A little bit of a 30-minute zone here. Oh, midline rejected. Interesting, interesting. So we filled some pretty big orders there, and on a 30-minute, there's a little bit of a zone that just rejected that midline. I wouldn't really care about this zone, but the fact that we hit that midline, like to the T, and rejected it, that's usually a pretty strong sell signal, especially when obviously we have these big sell orders clearly getting filled. So I think I'm okay with looking for shorts. What time is it there? It's 11 a.m. 11 a.m. in the morning. Where'd you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Joe? Boring day again. I've been a broken record lately, but every day's kind of the same. It's okay. I'm used to this. Just waiting for that big winner that'll wipe out every single loss. We're basically break even on the day right now. But trading requires patience. Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? Getting at you. Where'd you go? Where'd you come from? Getting at you. A little bit of a zone here. Bullish zone. Now the question is, do I really want to take another buy after we've just rejected this 30-minute zone with all these sell orders? I don't know. If these orders fill at 25,300 and we get a nice bounce, maybe I'll look for a quick trade back up. But I'll be pretty cautious. I hope it just blows through it. So that I don't have to consider going long, because I'd much rather go short. It's 11 p.m. here. I'm kind of sleepy though, but I came across your live. You got me hooked up. Is this that interesting? Maybe I'm just used to it. Maybe I'm just used to it and that's why I'm bored, but I'm glad you enjoy it. I'm glad if you guys are enjoying it, that's good enough for me. Sell orders at 25,333. Also, maybe trap traders. Could be interesting. Where'd you come from? Where'd you go? Where'd you come from? Can I do? I might look for a short somewhere here. This doesn't look too bad. But I may have already missed it. Again. God dang it, man. I'm too slow. It's okay. Calm down. Calm down, Corey. Okay, I might get rid of this 30-minute zone. I know that I'd rather go short. I'd rather go short. Doesn't mean I have to go short though. Bigger orders up at 25 to 28. Those filled. Now there's nothing there. Now there's nothing there. But orders did just get filled. Look at those orders. All right, I might get short at 28. 28. Can you fill me? Or am I going to miss it again? Okay, I'm short at that 28 area. We filled some orders at 335. And this thing is just exploding back up. Okay. Oh man, I'm getting tired of this freaking market, man. Can you sing Buttons by the Pussycat Dolls, please? Not the time. Filled orders didn't matter. Filled those orders. Big bearish zone on 30-minute. And we're still going higher. Make it make sense, man. Filled some orders there. Supply level right to the left. 30-minute zone. Midline rejection. I took a cheeky short there. Sorry guys. I had to be quiet and try to lock in because I was getting tilted. Now that I'm at break even, I can relax and not let my anger take control. This should be a mover. We should get a move here. There's so many levels that we need to take out lower. I swear to God, if this thing comes all the way back up, I'm gonna flip my desk. Not really. I'll just calmly sigh in disbelief, and then walk away for the day. Let me put this in the center. I've been waiting all day for a nice trade. I mean, just look at all those lows. All of those lows just sitting there waiting to be taken out. Oh, I'm not even showing my screen. All those lows waiting to be taken out. These are the times that I wish that I wasn't streaming, because if I wasn't streaming, I would probably have closed my charts and just wait for this thing to go to my targets and not look at it. I take one off there, just so I leave with something. Now it's really just a waiting game, and this may take a while. I'm gonna put an order at 25,300. Where's this buying coming from? Makes no sense. Where's all these buys coming from? Why are we skyrocketing? I need to adjust this order up here. All of a sudden the buyers are back. Not even, we haven't even taken out a single lick of liquidity. Not a single low was taken. Nothing. We're just going right back up. It makes no sense, man. We've made, you can't see this, but I'm going to count. We've made, so far today, we've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6 higher highs in a row. Without a single one of them, not higher highs, higher lows. Without a single one of them being taken out. Literally just stacking those stop losses. Please, market gods. Come on. Come on. Big push. Please just freaking collapse, man. There's no way this market wants to stay up here. It's gotta go seek some lows. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. Just go, just go, just go, just go, just go, just go, just go. I know you want to. I know you want to. Oh, shoot. No.
Are you serious right now? Come on. I am shocked we do not have a big fat red candle yet. I want a straight shot down to 290. Is this 1 minute? Yeah, I think so. Is it? Yes, it is. This is gonna take years off my life, man. Holy crap, just go. 25,300, 25,300. 25,300. If we break 25,310, we should be able to go to 25,300 pretty quickly. But we're not. We're not. Oh my god.
Wow, I hate this market so much, man. It's looking pretty strong now. Looking like it wants to go back to 25,337. And if it gets back to... Oh, hold on. Go red. If this candle goes red, we are good. If it closes solidly green, probably going to be another freaking partial trade. Red. Red. Go. Longest freaking trade of my life, man. 25,310. 25,310. We break 25,310. We as soon as we break 25,310, we should teleport to 25,300. Problem is, we're not breaking to 25,310. That's all we need. 25,310. It'll teleport to 25,300. Maybe even teleport to 25,290. Just needs to break 25,310. I don't know how it's not. It's tested it 4 times. But it might just be a waiting game. 25,310. Break. Break. Boom. Teleport to 25,300. Okay, hold on. Give it some time. Teleport to 25,300. No freaking way it's going to hold here. Okay, come on. Teleport. 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 I'm not going to lie, that's looking pretty bad. I might have to take one more off. It's holding. I'm going to let the candle close first, and then I'll make a decision. How many seconds left? 30 seconds left in the candle. Come on. Oh my god, how many times are we going to bounce in this area? Wow.
Come on. I'm buying one there just to get my freaking, just to get something, man. It's just taking so long. It's just not acting the way I want it to act. It should be capitulating down right now. Maybe it's just a little delayed here. Maybe. Oh, well, there it is. That's what I was looking for. 25,300. Please. Boom. Now, see the teleportation? Now it's doing the teleportation down. Can we get to 25,290? It's filling 25,300. This is a big area. 25,300 is a pretty big area. It could hold. This could be literally the reversal, and it goes all the way back up to my entry. It is possible. That's why I had my take profit there. And yeah, there it goes. Volume? What? Oh, volume? Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean volume? I don't know what you mean by just volume. All right, so I'm almost out of this trade. I'm 3/5 out of this trade. At this point, if it goes back up to my break even, I don't really care. It's all right. It's a decent trade. But now we can have fun with it. We can shoot for the stars. We aimed for the moon, but now we shoot for the stars. I got one more target left, 25,290, and if that gets hit, then I'll just start trailing probably. Because if 25,290 gets hit, I'd imagine we have a pretty, it's probably going to be the market's going to start really going lower. I'm not gonna lie, this, if I wasn't short, I would probably be buying this. But I am short. And so I hold until the very end. I'm done with this market today. I literally only made $10. Yep. By the time I'm done today, I'm probably going to be up just a couple hundred or something. Either a couple hundred or like $50. It's just the way it goes. This market is just
there's just no real big moves to really make some good money on. It's all slow grinding down or up. Chop. Yeah, no risk, no Rari. New York hasn't. What is that? New York has an MIED in the mornings in months. I'm not familiar what MIED is. Oh, moved. All right. Yeah, this is going probably all the way back up. Like I said, if I wasn't short, I'd probably be long this right now, man. This market is just unstoppable to the upside. Just unfreaking stoppable, man. It's an unstoppable market meeting an unmovable force, which is me, stubborn. $25,337. Yeah, man, this is looking like it's just gonna go right to my break even. At this point, it's gonna take forever. If it does get to my target, it's probably gonna take forever. And if it doesn't, there's no more trades for the day. So I might just end the stream here and keep you guys updated on the Discord or something. I mean, you guys can keep yourselves updated. You know where my targets are. Oh, hold on. Come on. Do something. We all know it's not going to... Oh, wow. You got to be shitting me. All right, well, there you go. There's the result right there. Insane, man. Just insane. Man, I wish I longed it. I said I should have been long, and I just wanted to hold that short. It's too stubborn. Unreal. And there you go. There you go. Who was talking about? Yeah, Death Cloud. Yeah, I'm up like freaking. I'm up $30. Yeah, $30. After all that, man, this freaking market, it's just so annoying, man. Like, look at this chart. Look at this chart. It's just look at this freaking chop. The setup long that I was talking about was this. This was a zone right here. That's where my target was. My target was 25,300. I got filled there. Then we held that, filled the orders. And then you look at like the 15-second chart right here. That's where I wanted to go long, but I was already short and I held. Now in hindsight, obviously, boom, that would have been a freaking amazing trade, but it is what it is. All right. $30 day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place.